A family company formed in 1968, SIP Industrial Products have grown to be one of the largest and most respected suppliers of a range of industrial equipment. SIP's superb range of bench and floor standing pillar drills. SIP have an excellent selection of professional pillar drills, all manufactured to the highest standard for reliability and long working life. These bench and floor standing pillar drills come in a variety of sizes and are an excellent choice for any workshop with their superb ability at drilling through materials including a range of metals, woods and plastics. Models are available from a 13mm maximum drilling capacity right up to an impressive 32mm drilling capacity on steel, with maximum chuck capacities varying from 1.5mm through to 20mm on the largest pillar drills. They also feature a tapered fit chuck and include a pulley tensioner for quick and simple easy lock motor speed adjustment, recommended drill speed guide, a safety interlock switch stops the drill from operating when the pulley housing is open, one-piece cast soft grip handles, a magnetic NVR switch for added safety, a heavy-duty motor housing with efficient heat dissipation, sturdy cast iron tilting table with angle scale and slots, an adjustable drilling depth stop, mounting holes in the base plate to safely secure to the floor or bench, and a 2-year motor warranty for added reassurance. SIP stock accessories and consumables perfect for their professional pillar drills, from drill vices to advanced metalworking fluid. The professional bench and floor standing pillar drills from SIP, an excellent choice for any garage or workshop.